A few of the other features, we've got logging, which we talked about briefly. I do want to show you what one of these log files looks like. This is the access.csv from the presentation we've been doing right now. And I only have logging turned on for the custom order acknowledgement. So you'll see here we capture date, time, the file name, the username, and the computer name. This makes it a real nice thing to come in here and find out, which reports are actually getting used. Sometimes that could be a problem if you've got, 100 different reports out there and you're not sure if somebody's running one. This log would tell you whether that's occurring or not. It'll also help you to find if maybe your users are running reports they shouldn't be running, maybe an out-of-date report or a report that they shouldn't have permissions to. The logging will help you to track that down. We've also got scheduling. Scheduling, that would be if you're just wanting to schedule the automatic delivery of these reports via email printer or out to the file system. And again, that's we don't get into a whole lot of that, but basically what you do is you can create alternate solution files to these. You just go into Solution Builder. You add an action to a customer report. I want to make it like, and typically these actions, you'd want them to be email, save, or print. Let's say you want to email it. If you email it, you've got to fill in the details about your SMTP server and your from address and all that good stuff. I'm just going to do a save here just to keep things simple. And then you'd have to save this out. I'm just going to say to my desktop as a test here. And then you hit the schedule button. And what this does, this allows you to say what frequency you schedule this to run, daily, weekly, or monthly. Below that, it gets a breakdown that gives you a little bit more flexibility into that frequency even. And you hit OK, and it throws it in your Windows Task Scheduler, so it'll run automatically. We've also got screen controls. I talked about that a little bit as well, that if you want to hide the print button, for example, or whatever else, you can use screen controls to prevent users from seeing certain things. And that actually wraps up the Logicity for visual manufacturing side of things.